Ever wondered how natural ingredients can spice up your love life? Today, we're exploring the enchanting world of natural libido boosters. Imagine a juice that not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also revitalizes your sexual wellness. Our magical concoction includes pineapple, known for its enzyme bromelain, aromatic cloves, nutrient-rich tiger nuts, hydrating coconut, and sweet dates. Each ingredient is a key player in enhancing libido and promoting sexual health. Stick around as we blend these ingredients into a delicious and beneficial juice. Let's dive into our first libido-boosting ingredient. Starting with pineapple, this tropical delight is more than just a treat for the palate. Pineapples are rich in an enzyme called bromelain, which has been shown to have several benefits for sexual health. Bromelain aids in improving blood flow and reducing inflammation, both of which are essential for enhancing libido. The fruit's sweet and tangy flavor is not only refreshing, but also packs a punch in boosting sexual wellness in both men and women. Next, we move on to cloves. These small but mighty spices are not only aromatic, but are also packed with antioxidants. Historically, cloves have been used in various cultures to improve sexual health. They contain properties that can stimulate the senses and enhance circulation. This stimulation is key for increasing arousal and can make a noticeable difference in your intimate moments. Now, let's talk about tiger nuts. Contrary to their name, tiger nuts are not nuts, but tubers that are dense with nutrients. They are especially rich in vitamins E and C and contain zinc, an essential mineral for reproductive health. Tiger nuts have been linked to increased fertility and enhanced libido, making them a fantastic addition to our libido-boosting arsenal. Our fourth ingredient is coconut. This versatile fruit brings hydration through its water, packed with electrolytes, and provides a boost in energy levels, which is crucial for a healthy sex life. The healthy fats found in coconut are beneficial for hormone production, supporting overall sexual health and wellness. Lastly, we have dates. These naturally sweet fruits are not only delicious, but are also high in fiber and antioxidants. Dates support cardiovascular health, which is vital for good blood flow. Efficient circulation is necessary for sexual function, ensuring that blood reaches all the right places. With our ingredients ready, let's start making our libido-boosting juice. Now, the exciting part, bringing all these fantastic ingredients together. Let's start with the pineapple. We're adding generous chunks of this juicy fruit into our blender. Pineapple not only brings a tropical zest to our juice, but also packs a punch with bromelain, which is great for boosting circulation. Next up, just a pinch of cloves. While tiny, cloves are mighty with their ability to heighten arousal through improved circulation. They add a warm, slightly spicy note that complements the sweetness of the pineapple beautifully. Moving on to tiger nuts, we'll toss in a handful. These are not actual nuts, but rather tubers that are dense with nutrients essential for reproductive health. They add a lovely, nutty flavor and a creamy texture that enriches our juice. Now let's pour in some coconut water. It's incredibly hydrating and brings a slight sweetness and freshness to the mix, not to mention its benefits for stamina and energy levels. This will also help in achieving the perfect consistency for our juice. Last, but certainly not least, a couple of dates. These will naturally sweeten our juice without the need for added sugars. Dates are a powerhouse of fiber and essential nutrients, ideal for supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. Let's blend all these ingredients together. As the blender works its magic, the colors and textures combine to create something truly exciting. The result should be a creamy, deliciously inviting juice. Pouring this vibrant concoction into a glass, we see the fruits of our labor. Our natural libido booster juice is ready to be enjoyed. There you have it, a simple and tasty way to boost your sexual health naturally. Each ingredient in our libido booster juice packs a punch. Pineapple, with its enzyme bromelain, aids in improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Cloves, rich in antioxidants, stimulate the senses and enhance circulation. Tiger nuts contribute valuable vitamins and minerals like vitamin E and zinc, boosting fertility and libido. Coconut hydrates and replenishes energy with its electrolyte-rich water, while its healthy fats support hormone production. Lastly, dates promote cardiovascular health, ensuring better blood circulation. I encourage you to try making this juice at home. It's not just about the drink. Incorporating these ingredients into your regular diet can significantly benefit your sexual health. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, more vibrant you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments below. Cheers.